Good morning from Michigan. It's freezing here. I got a sweatshirt on and I got a long sleeve under that. So anyway, this morning we're taking the car to Maaco to have it estimated for a full respray. So we got our car hauler, got our truck all hooked up, so we just got to get this thing loaded. So let's go. Alright, so the car's all loaded up. We got to strap her down. As you guys can tell, this trailer's a little sketchy for lowered cars. Not really even lowered, but just cars in general. But yeah, we make it work. Car's all strapped down, ready to go. We got the custom Visqueen on the window, so because it's raining here and I don't want to go too wet in there. Custom magnets. Hopefully those don't blow off.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Alright, so the magnet thing definitely did not work. As you can tell, one of them's still on there and one of them fell off, but somehow we got real lucky and it landed right there. So let's go. I don't really care about this car as far as getting wet, so I'm just gonna take all this stuff off and whatever's on the inside possibly gonna blow out, I'll just set it right in the truck. I just realized that I forgot the bumper for this car, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna want to see it so they can give me a nice estimate on it. But we'll see. I believe that it's appointment only, which I made an appointment, so I think they gotta meet me at the door or something like that. I'm gonna try to get as much on camera as possible. I'm still a little camera shy myself, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, looks like he's coming out right now.
Okay, so let's start the game. What are you looking to do?
Alright, so I want to do I want to spray everything. I want to obviously redo it white and everything.
Okay, so
the hatch and the rear bumper are probably fine. Just because there's nothing really crazy
right,
wrong.
but basically you've already got the whole side.
Okay.
We'll paint the whole vehicle because everything we do is our paint system is to paint the whole car.
Okay.
Basically, the price ain't going to change if you write it up to paint this. If you don't, then you got a variance of the color not match.
Right.
So there's no sense in not painting it.
Okay. There's a bumper for it. My dad sent me some pictures of it. It's got it's blue. I had to go down to Maryland to get it, so I wasn't gonna find the right color, but so that'll probably have to be sprayed from behind too, right?
Normally the backs don't get painted, just basically the edges.
Okay.
That's how it normally gets painted.
Okay.
But the concern we got here is this has been changed. Are you concerned about the other side not being painted?
Can we do that? Can we spray the other side?
So
okay.
you want the underside?
Yeah. Yeah, and then that fender has got to be cut in too.
Cut in too, so that's the underside of it.
I got mirrors. Those are all white.
Anything that's painted gets painted. The only thing on our pricing of our paint is the outside of the vehicle.
Okay.
The inside jams, that's not included like us. We're going to take the hood off, paint the inside jam, paint the fender. That's going to be an additional charge.
You guys want to work that out a little bit better? Give me a price on that too.
Okay.
I know there was a dent right here as well. Up in there.
Okay, so now our paint system. I think we briefly discussed it earlier. We have basically good, better, and best. We have entry level, which is enamel, mid-grade urethanes, and base coat. Yeah. You're looking to. Are you wrapping this when you get done or something?
Possibly. If it doesn't sound either way, yeah.
Okay. Because ain't that what you do?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we kind of looked up after talking to you because your company. I was like, what? All right, so are you looking just the entry level, mid grade? Are you doing this to sell it? Okay, and I would say it's going to be white. A good way of doing the enamel. That's the cheapest. And right now I got it on sale. I can do it for $3.99.
Yo, I would just like to pause this video for a second and think about what this guy just said. He said $399 for a full car respray. $399.
For just sand and paint, but we're going to need to do seal. Yeah, so I'll write to straighten out that floor panel. It's too bad. We got the rust spot on the roof from being sanded down. That's become rust. We're going to have to sand that out, block that, take out the hood, paint the underside, edge the fender, and the bumper's going to come afterwards.
I sanded it. It had some gouges in it.
Yeah,
there still are. It was on a lower car. So.
Yeah, so you're not really concerned about that.
Right.
So. Let's go. Let me go get her typed up.
Wait out here?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you. All right, so he's gonna go get all typed up, my quote and everything. Hopefully, he said $400 for the whole car to get sprayed. That's cheap. Wow. Very cheap. I got quoted like $2,200 from a local guy, which if I take it to him, this car will be perfect. That's the only thing about this place is I don't really know what it's gonna turn out like. You know? We'll see. So I was driving by this place right down the street from Maaco, and I've always wanted one of these racks. The guy said he's selling me 2 of them for $110. So yeah, I bought them. Yeah. All right, guys. So our estimator Joe here gave me the rundown. So came back a lot cheaper than I thought it was gonna be. Total estimate is right there. Focus. Maybe right there. $1,031.19. That's super cheap for a full body paint job. So I'm super curious to see how it turns out. I mean, if it turns out good, then I might just take all my stuff there, you know. This is, by the way, they are not only painting my car, painting the whole car, but they are doing a little bit of body work on it too. There's a few more little dents in the quarter panel that they're gonna take care of. Everything they're doing, they're removing the hood panel, painting the underside of the hood, repairing the quarter panel, priming and blocking. They are cutting in the fender, refinishing the underside of the hood, blah, 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 blah. They're doing all kinds of stuff to this car. For $1,000, you cannot beat that. So I guess we'll see how it turns out. I'm excited. So if you guys are curious to see how this car turns out from a Maaco paint job, then hit that subscribe button. Make sure you got your little dinger on, and wait for the next video to come out. So we'll see you guys. Peace.